Guys, so many people ask me questions that how to enable or disable Wi-Fi calling. Firstly, I want to tell you some basic things that Wi-Fi calling is only enabled for some reasons, some conditions, because you must have in the same network. The first thing, and second things, it's applicable for in USA, Iceland, like countries. So currently, it's not applicable for India. So lots of people trying to search for India Wi-Fi calling options, so it's not currently in use, but yes, you can use it in futures. So I just want to share some things that how to open and how to enable and disable the Wi-Fi options. So firstly, you need to go in settings. In settings you will find the options for the Wi-Fi calling, but here I get one options Wi-Fi calling. If you don't found these options, then you need to say click on these three dots, and after clicking on three dots, you need to click grid buttons. So you can add the options which is available here. So in that options you will find the options like Wi-Fi calling. So already I have taken these options on screen. So just I press it on Wi-Fi calling, and I'm trying to call now. So what I need to do, I need to find a Wi-Fi device available here. Then I need to log into that device, and after login you can make call with that device. So here is options that with that options you can either connect with another device or disconnect with another device, guys. So that's simple. So hope you like this video, guys. If you have any query questions, please call us. We will answer all the questions, or if you want any more informations, please connect with us, guys. So subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.